This dance is called Runaround Sue. It's a 32 count, full wall, high beginner level line dance with 2 tags. Starting on our right foot, we're going to travel to the diagonal but stay facing the front with some step locks. So we're going to step the right forward on that diagonal, lock the left behind the right, step forward on that right on the diagonal, touch the left beside the right. Repeat to the left diagonal with the left foot leading. So we step the left forward on the diagonal, lock the right behind the left, step forward again on that left, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, off on the right into those step locks. 7, 8, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch. We're now going to do a similar set of steps, but we're actually going to be travelling backwards. So we're starting off on the right foot, travelling to that back right diagonal. So step back on that right, lock the left over the right, step back on the right, touch the left beside the right. Same going to the back left diagonal. So the left foot steps back, right knocks over the left foot steps back, touch the right beside the left. So that set of steps once more then. Back on the right to those diagonals. 7, 8, back, lock, back, touch, back, lock, back, touch. So you're effectively back to where you started at the beginning of the dance. So let's just put those 2 sections together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, lock, back, touch, back, lock, back, touch. Point the right to the right side, step the right beside the left. Point the left to the left side, step the left beside the right. Into a V step. So we're going to step the right forward, diagonally to the right. Step the left forward, diagonally to the left. Step the right, diagonally back to the left, in other words where it came from. Step the left beside the right. That's your V step. So that section once more then, points off on the right. 7, 8, point and out, out, in, close. Let's add that to the top. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, lock, touch, back, lock, back, touch. Point and out, out, in, close. Now I'm going to do some jazz jumps. So on the and count, you're going to jump the right out to the side. On the 1, you'll jump the left to the side and hold. So that will basically, because it's going to be quite quick, it'll be and jump, hold. Now we're going to jump back in. Left foot is going first, but you're going to jump the left slightly back, then cross the right over and hold. So that again, it will look quite fast. It'll be and jump as you cross. So 2 jazz jumps. We're then going to make 3/4 of a turn, travelling to the left. So you're almost going to unwind yourself, but you're going to do that by doing some heel bounces. So your left foot doesn't really bounce, but it's obviously going to move as you turn. Your right heel is the one that's doing the bouncing. So your right heel will bounce up as you come down. You will have made a 1/4 turn to the left. And you repeat up and down as you make a further 1/4 turn to the left. Bounce 1 final time, up and down, so you've made that further 1/4 turn. So you should now be facing 3 o'clock and you step that left in place. Now depending on what sort of floor you've got will depend how your feet move when you actually do those bounces. So I'm still ending up in a semi-crossed position, so I'm just moving that left to the side very slightly so I can get my right foot out. That's to do with dancing on carpet. If you've got a slightly different floor surface, you may actually find when you do your bounces, you end up slightly more in alignment. So we'll do that section slowly again, and then we'll speed it up a bit. Jazz jumps off on the right. 7, 8, and jump, hold, and jump, hold, and bounce, and bounce, and bounce, step. So hopefully you made 3/4 of a turn. Now if you do struggle with doing that 3/4, there are some alternative steps. Do try and do the turn, because the dances always look so much better when the turns are actually in there, but if you are struggling to get around in time to the music, or it's making you feel dizzy or disorientated, then what you can actually do, once you've done your jazz jump, bounce yourself 1/4 turn to the right, and then just step that left beside the right. So 3 bounces. Just make sure you don't cross over too much when you actually do your jazz jump, because you'll end up in a bit of a knot with your feet. But you'll just do bounce, 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 and bring that left to the side. So we just turn, 1/4 turn the opposite way if you need to take that 3/4 out. So let's just speed that section up a little bit. Jazz jump off on the right. 7, 8, and jump, hold and grab, hold, bounce, 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 step. Let's put it all together. That is the end of the dance when you get to that point. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, lock, touch, back, lock, back, touch. Point, and out, out, in, close, jump, and cross, bounce, 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 step. So what I will do is I'll just go through that last section with the counts. All the rest are single count timing steps, but your jazz jump is slightly different. So on that last section, you will be going and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Just so you can see how that timing actually goes. Now it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, lock, back, touch, back, lock, back, touch. Point, and out, out, in, close, and jump, bounce, 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 step, step, lock, step, lock, step, touch, back, touch, back, lock, back, touch. Point, and out, out, in, close, and jump, bounce, 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 step, lock, step, lock, step, touch, back, lock, back, touch, back, lock, back, touch. Point, and out, out, in, close, and jump, bounce, 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 step. So that's your dance. Now I did say there are 2 tags in this dance. The tags in their own right are 32 counts long. So it's almost like doing a dance when you're doing the tag. There's 2 of them. They come at the ends of walls 5 and 7. So wall 5 will be your front wall, so the first time you get back to the front wall, and your wall 7 will be your back wall. So your tag you will actually start facing the side walls. So by the time you finish wall 5, you'll be facing 3 o'clock. When you finish wall 7, you'll be facing 9 o'clock. So we start off with some Monterey turns. 4 Monterey quarter turns. So you will end up back where you started. So you're going to point your right to the side, make that quarter turn right as you bring the feet together, point the left to the side, bring the feet together. That's 1 Monterey quarter turn. Let's repeat it another 3 times. Point right, quarter turn right, bring the feet together, point the left, bring the feet together. Point, quarter turn, point, feet together. Point, quarter turn, point, feet together. That's half your tag. Now it is a full turn. If, for whatever reason, it's another bit that you need to try and take out, I would just stay on the spot. Point, close, point, close, point, close, point. Just wait for everybody else to catch up with you. And then you can add the next bit on. So point, close, on the spot. So once we've done our 4 Monterey turns, we're going to do some twists. So your heels, both of them, twist to the right, twist the toes to the right, twist the heels to the right, clap. Twist the heels left, toes left, heels left, clap. It's 3 sets of twists. Just do those twists once more. 7, 8. Twist, 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 clap, twist, 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 clap. Just add that onto our Monterey turns. Off on the right. 7, 8. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Twist, 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 clap, twist, 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 clap. So to finish the tag, we're going to add on some more jazz jumps, similar to what we did before. So we're going to jump the right to the side, jump the left to the side, hold. This time you're going to bring the feet back to where you started from. So you're going to jump the right back into the centre, left beside the right, hold. And then we're going to add on some hip rolls, just to end the tag, anti-clockwise, roll, roll. 4 counts worth, 2 rolls. So that little section again then, those jazz jumps, the count of that is and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, hip rolls. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that section once more then. Those jazz jumps off on the right. 7, 8, and jump, hold, roll, roll, roll. Let's add that to our Monterey turns. The whole tag. Off on the right. 7, 8. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Monterey turn, Monterey turn. Twist, 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 clap, twist, 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 clap, and jump, roll, roll. So that is your tag. So let's have a go. At the front wall, wall 5, add on the tag, restart the dance. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, lock, back, touch, back, lock, back, touch. Point, and out, in, close and jump, bounce, 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 step, tag, Monterey turn, Monterey turn, Monterey turn, Monterey turn. Twist, 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 clap, twist, 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 clap, and jump, roll, roll. Step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch. So that is your dance and your walkthrough and your tag information. Intervals 5 and 7. Let's give it a go to a bit of music.
Here's my story, sad but true. It's about a girl that I once knew.
She took my love, then ran it around with every single guy in town.
6, 7, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, walk, back, touch, back, walk, back, touch, point, goes, point, out, in goes, jump, jump, bounce, 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 step, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, walk, back, touch, back, walk, touch, point, out, in goes, jump, jump, bounce, 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 step, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, walk, back, touch, back, walk, back, touch, point, out, in goes, jump, jump, bounce, 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 step, step, lock, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch, back, walk, back, touch, back, walk, touch, point, out, in goes, jump, jump, bounce, 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 step, locks, back, points, jump, tag, Monterey turn, Monterey turn, Monterey turn, twist, 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 jump, jump, roll, step, lock, step, touch,
I fell in love and my love still grows.
points,
Getting cool that she ever knew.
jump,
I'll keep away from Runaround Sue.
step, locks,
Keep away from this girl. I know what I should do. Keep away from
Jump.
Sue.
tag, Monterey,
Traveled around, yeah, she loved you and she put you down.
twist,
Now people let me put you wise.
jump,
She goes, that was all the time.
step, locks,
Love story from the captain knows. I fell in love and my love still grows.
twist,
Getting cool that she ever knew. They say
jump,
keep away from Runaround Sue. Yeah. Keep away from this girl. I know what I should do. Keep away from Sue. Hey, yeah. La, la, la,
hope you managed that one.